In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Gantt chart templates in Lucid. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to quickly discover the right Gantt chart starting point for your project planning. Let's start by opening Lucid in your web browser. Think of Lucid as your workspace and the home of all your diagrams and planning templates. We're heading straight to the place where templates live, so you can browse options without building anything from scratch. Once you're in, head to your dashboard and look for the section labeled For You. This area is designed to surface helpful recommendations and commonly used items, which makes it a great jumping-off point. Even if your interface looks slightly different, you should still see a For You area or something similar on the main dashboard. From there, click More Templates. This opens the full template gallery, which is where the real variety appears. The gallery is organized to help you find what you need faster, but the quickest way to get to Gantt charts is to use the search bar at the top. Type Gantt chart and run the search. You'll now see a collection of Gantt chart templates. These are pre-built layouts that map tasks across a timeline, helping you visualize start and end dates, durations, and sequencing at a glance. Different templates may offer different levels of detail. Some are streamlined for simple timelines, perfect for short campaigns, or lightweight roadmaps. Others include sections for milestones, color-coded phases, or swim lanes that group tasks by team or workstream. Choose a style that matches your project's complexity. If you manage overlapping work across teams, look for swim lanes or clearer dependency visuals. If you're planning a straightforward schedule, a minimal layout can help you move faster. Before settling on one, take a moment to preview it. You'll get a sense of how dates, tasks, and phases are laid out, and whether the structure aligns with the way you plan. This saves time later and keeps your workspace clean and consistent. Also consider the scale of your project. If you're working week by week, a template that emphasizes weekly increments is ideal. If you're planning a long-term roadmap, look for monthly or quarterly views. And that's it. You've located the Gantt chart templates inside Lucid by going to your dashboard, opening the For You section, exploring more templates, and searching for Gantt chart. Once you know where the gallery is and how to search, you can return here anytime to find the template that best fits your next project.